This segment of Delmarva Life is sponsored by TidalHealth.
What starts as occasional joint pain can slowly become something that affects every step, every task, and every part of daily routine. That's the kind of challenge one local orthopedic surgeon on Delmarva has spent his career treating.
Now he's reached a major milestone, 2,000 robotic-assisted joint replacement procedures. As Delmarva Life's James McDonald discovered, one patient who's experienced one of those procedures firsthand says the results have completely changed the way she lives her life.
In the world of orthopedic surgery, milestones aren't just numbers. They represent thousands of lives changed. For Dr. William Doran, orthopedic surgeon at TidalHealth, that number has now reached a major benchmark: 2,000 Mako robotic joint replacement procedures. It's a milestone he says reflects years of precision, evolving technology, and patient outcomes across Delmarva.
Now reaching the milestone of 2,000 is significant. Nobody else has done that in the area, and so TidalHealth's been a great support in helping me bring innovation to the Sussex County community.
Dr. Doran began performing Mako robotic joint replacements in 2018, becoming one of the first surgeons in the region to bring the technology to patients locally. Since then, he says the impact has only grown, both in the operating room and in the recovery stories that follow.
From a personal standpoint, it's brought a lot of satisfaction to see the lives of over 2,000 people improve from a physical standpoint and just overall quality of life.
Using 3D model technology, the Mako system allows Dr. Doran to create a personalized surgical plan before entering the operating room, helping improve accuracy during joint replacement procedures. That level of personalization, Dr. Doran says, is what sets it apart.
The technology allows me to have the CAT scan, and with that CAT scan, it gives us a three-dimensional model of the bony structure of an individual. So we're able to really hone in on an individual's bone size structure so that we can give them a personalized implant.
For patients, those technical details translate into something far more personal, getting their lives back. For Melinda Huffman, that journey started in 2021 when what she thought was back pain turned out to be a serious hip issue.
I was having terrible back pain, and I got an x-ray of my back thinking it was my back, and it showed that my right hip was bone on bone. So in that year, November 3rd, I had my right hip replaced by Dr. Doran.
That first surgery changed everything, not just relieving pain, but restoring mobility she didn't realize she had lost.
That was remarkable because the back pain went away, and within 8 months, this hip felt perfectly natural. I didn't feel like I had implants or anything in it.
When it came time to replace her other hip years later, Melinda says the decision was easy. She knew exactly who to call.
I wanted Dr. Doran. I had worked with him, and I knew how precise he was, how particular he was with his patients.
Melinda says the difference is already clear, not just in how she feels physically, but in how quickly she's returning to the life she loves.
I feel great. The back pain is completely gone. I went in the gym 6 days after I had surgery. So I'm doing the bike and doing some upper weight stuff in the gym. And I'm back to cooking every Sunday, and I water my flowers.
For patients still unsure about surgery, Melinda says don't wait until the pain becomes unbearable.
I would tell them to get it done as soon as they possibly can. You want to get it done because the sooner you get it done, the faster you can rehab and you can get back with your wonderful life you had before you had degenerative joint disease.
For Dr. Doran, those outcomes represent what the last 2,000 surgeries are all about. Not just a milestone, but restored independence.
You can go from existing in your life to living your life. We give options that will provide that satisfaction and regenerate a new portion of your life.
And after 2,000 procedures, he says he's excited to continue helping patients move, recover, and return to the lives they thought they might have to leave behind.
I always reiterate to my patients, I'll never tell anybody you need to have a surgery. What I explain to all of my patients is you ultimately make the decision for surgery. I just provide you with the options.
For Dr. Doran, it's a reminder that behind every number is a patient walking out of pain and back into their life.
Dr. Doran says he performs between 6 and 8 joint replacement surgeries each day. He adds that the procedures also improve quality of life for family members as loved ones become more self-sufficient. To schedule your appointment with Dr. Doran today, visit our website and click on What's Happening Today.
It's something that you hope you never need, but if you do, we're fortunate enough to have Dr. Doran here to do it.
I'm amazed how many he does a day.
That's incredible.
But he's good at it. Absolutely.